continue the problems based on arithmetic progression. Some new questions let's see today. That is the 17th term. The 17th term exceeds the 10th term by exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. So today you are doing the book questions. Very simple. I have done questions like this. 17, A17 equals to 18 by 7 plus 7. So A plus 16D. This is A plus 9D plus 7. A is cancelled. 16D minus 9D equals to 7. 7D equals to 7. D equals to 7 by 7. So try 1%. 24th term exceeds the 14th term by 8. Find the common difference. Also find the AP. Find the AP. You can do this. Find the AP means you have to find past 3 terms at least. First term, second term, third term you have to find out. Okay, now what is the next question? Look at here. Which term of AP say find the number of terms in the AP. What is that? 7, 13, 19, 205. How will you do? Number of terms means n you have to find out. So how to find n? Same method. Your last term is given. A is given you 7. D is given 13 minus 7, that is 6. N is given 205. So what is the formula of n? A plus minus 1 into D equals to 205. Put 7 and minus 1, D is 6 is 205. Always follow the technique how to solve. First to take 7 to that side. So implies minus 1 into 6, 205 minus 7. It is 198. The 6 is divided here, multiplied here, you have to divide. Then minus 1, 198 by 6. 6 3s are 18, 33. So n equals to 33 plus 1, that is 34. You will get simple questions which are like this. You should do it correctly. So one question is homework for you. That is number of terms. So it is 18, 15, 15 half, then 13 minus 47. Okay. Check next question. whether minus 150 is a term in AP or not. That is, which AP it is? 11, 8, 5, 2. Okay, how to check? Now, suppose this is your nth term. So, A equals to 18. B equals to 8, sorry, A equals to 11. 8 minus 11 minus 3. Your A equals to left. Let A equals to minus 150. Then what you have to do? Formula A equals to A plus n minus 1 into D implies minus 150 equals to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. 11 into on that side, minus 150 minus 11 and minus 1 into minus 3. This is how much? Minus 161 is n minus 1 into minus 3. So, to simplify it, so minus 161 divided by minus 3 equals to n minus 1. Then 161 is not divisible. Keep it like this. Plus 1 equals to n. 161 plus 3 by 3 equals to n. So n equals to 164 by 3. So when you divide, this become a fraction. Number of terms cannot be fraction. N cannot be a fraction. Why? Because n means number of terms. That is why, therefore, minus 150 is not a term in the AP. Okay, you can try question. Check. 164 is a term in the AP. 482 like this. Same method. This is A, this is A, this is D. If n becomes an integral number, then it is a term. If n is not an integral number, then this is not a term. Okay, this you can do. Next. Question in AP consists of 50 terms. AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So find the 29th term. Not so difficult. Consists of 50 terms, means n equals to 50. Third term is 12. A3 equals to 12. Last term means you take an equals to 106. Okay. Then what is the common difference? First define common difference. A3 means a plus 2d equals to 12. Then a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 106. But n is given you 50, put 50 here, implies a plus 50 minus 1 into d equals to 106. So that gives you a plus 49d equals to 106. So again equation, this is the equation number 2. Below this you write equation number 1. A plus 2b equals to 12. So subtract, cancel, 47. B 4 94. G is equal to 94 by 47 2. So once you get D, you can find out a, say how to find out. A plus, anywhere you can put 2D equals to 12. A plus 2 into 2 equals to 12. A equals to 12 minus 4, that is 8. Therefore, A29, A plus 28D. A is 8 plus 28 into 2. Okay, how much? Simple questions, not difficult. 8 plus 56. 64. Okay. See then. Two APs have the same common difference. Today's question: two APs have same common difference. The difference between their hundredth term is difference between their hundredth term is 100. What is the difference between their thousandth term? What is the difference between their thousandth term? Two APs have same common difference. That means first AP, suppose A1 plus B, A2 plus B, like this. Means A1 plus 2B. Okay. Second AP, suppose its first term is A2. Then A2 plus B, A2 plus 2B, like this. So common difference is same. but the first term will be different to both. Difference between their 100th term means first AP का 100th term A 100 first AP minus A 100 second AP. फर्स्ट AP का 100th टर्म माइनस सेकेंड AP का 100th टर्म, ओके, इज 100 means this will be A1 plus 99D minus A2 plus 99D equals to 100. But D the same, only first term is different, so this is cancelled. So what did you find then? Then you are finding A1 minus A2 equals to 100. Difference between their thousand term means it will be A1 plus 999D first का, second का A2 plus 999D. This is what you are asked to find out. Because D is same, ये तो cancel हो गया, तो how much you get? A1 minus A2. So what is A1 minus A2? That means this will be always same. Whatever term you find out. Okay. Next. How many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 7? This is important question. How many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 7? So divisible by 7 means multiple of 7 you have to find out. So first number will be 7. Okay, second will be 14, 7 plus 7, then 21 like this. So what is 3 digits number? 3 digits number is 100. Starting is 100 or not? But 100 is not divisible by 7. अगर 100 if you divide by 7, what you get? 7 1 is 7, 3 0, 7, 4 is 28. So to make a number more than this, because more than 100 it should be. So 7 5 is 35. So how much short it is? Shortage is 5. Means the last number will be 105. 105 is divisible by 7. Because if it is 35, then already is divisible or not? That means your last number will be 105. So how many means N you have to find out. So what shall I write here then? A equals to 7, B equals to 15 minus 7 is 7, N equals to 105, A plus N minus 1 into D equals to 105, 7 plus N minus 1 into 7 is 105, 10 minus 1 into 7, 105 minus 7, that is 98. 10 minus 1 is 98 by 7, 14. So what is n? 14 plus 1, that is 15. So there are 15 terms like this which are divided by 7. So how many 3 digits numbers are divisible by 6? So how will you start? 6, 12, 18. Then last you see, last is 100. 100 is not divisible by 6. You could divide by 6. 6 1 the 6, 4 0, 6. You have to take a number which is more than this now. 6 7 the 42. That means this should be 42. Means 2 shortage. That means this should be 102. So 6, 12, 18. Last number is 102. You have to find out. Okay. This is your homework. Then how many multiples of 4? Next question. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? You have to find the number between that. So between 10. So after that means between 10 and 250, you have to find those numbers. So after 10, which is the next number divisible by multiple of 4 means divisible by 4. That is 12. Because 10 is not divisible. So 11 is not divisible. So 12. Then next will be 16. Because multiple of 4. Then 20 like this. 250 is also not divisible by 4 because between you are asked. Between means these two are you are not taking. Means what is the previous number. So for that you divide by 4. 4 6 is 24. 1 0 4 2 is 8. The 2 you have to subtract from here because you have to find a number between, that is 248. Because between 100 and 250 means before 250 that will be 248. Now you can find out A is this, B is this, A is this. Okay? You can try. Next. Another question. Find the value of n for which the nth term of 2AP 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. Both have nth term equal. Okay, first you see here 63, 65, 67 like this. So A is equal to 63. B equals to 2. What is n? A plus n minus 1 into D. 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. Let's keep it like this. Okay. Next is second series what is the second series? I wrote here. You can check it again. That is 3, 10, 17 like this. So what is A here? A equals to 3. D equals to 10 minus 3, that is 7. Its An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So these two are equal. This is second. This An and this An are equal given. That means what shall I write here? You have to write 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So here what you have to do? Nothing but you have to open the bracket. 63 plus 2n minus 2, 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. This is 3 minus 7 is minus 4 plus 7n. So like term together, bring this on this side. 61 plus 4, 7n minus 2n. So how much you got? 65 equals to 5n. n is equal to 65 by 5. 13. Okay? Then question number 18 you see. The sum of fourth and eighth term of a P is 24 and the sum of sixth and 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. Find the first three terms of AP. Okay, let first term equals to A. Common difference is B. Fourth and eighth. A4 plus A8 equals to 24. Write down what is A4. A plus 3D, A plus 7D equals to 24. Simple question, these are not difficult. So 2A plus 10D equals to 24. 6th and 10th is 44. 6th means A6, A10 equals to 44. What is A6? A6 means A5, A9. A6 is A plus 5D, A plus 9D equals to 44. Okay, then 2A plus 14D equals to 44. This is equation number 2. Let's solve these two. You can write below this 2A plus 10D equals to 24. Equation number 1 I wrote. Subtract. Minus. How much you got? This is cancelled. 4D equals to 20. D equals to 20 by 4. 5. Now A 2A plus 14D equals to 44. Anywhere you can put. 2A plus 14 into 5 equals to 44. 2A plus 70 equals to 44. 2A equals to 44 minus 70. 2A equals to 26 minus 26. Okay, what is A? Minus 26 by 2 minus 13. So AP means, what is the AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, like this. So minus 13 plus 5 minus 13 plus 2 into 5, like this. Minus 13 minus 8. This is how much? Minus 13 plus 10 minus 3, and so. Okay. See the next one. What problem you have to see here? 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary rupees 5,000 and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. Okay, then in what year did his income reach? In what year did his income reach 7,000? Okay, look at here how to do. Started the work in 1995. The annual salary was 5,000. Started with 5,000. First year he got 5,000. Next he received 200 extra. So next year salary became 5,200. Again next year it will be 200 more. 5,400. Like this. Which year it was 7,000. That means A is this, B will find out this N. So this is it. Simple you can do. A equals to 5,000. D equals to 5,200 minus 5,000. That is 200. N equals to 7,000. So 7,000 means what you will do? Formula N equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 7,000. So A में what input 5,000 plus n minus 1, D is 200 equals to 7,000. So same method, n minus 1 into 200, 7,000 minus 5,000. N minus 1 into 200 is 2,000. 200 you divide. N minus 1 equals to 2,000 divided by 200. 0 cancel, that is 10. So n equals to 10 plus 1, that is 11. Means 1995. 11 years. After 11 years means plus 11. How much it is? 6, 0. So in 2006 year. So which year it is now? In the year of 2006. Here it is same 7,000 rupees. Okay. So see one more question then. Number 20. Ramkali said rupees 5 in the first week. In the first week of a year. Week of a year. And then increase his quickly saving, and then increased or weekly saving by how much? By rupees 1.75. If in the nth week, if in the nth week our saving became rupees 20.75. Find it. Same method, similar question. Set 5. First week you get rupees 5. Increase by 1.75. 5 rupees plus 1.75 become how much? 6.75. So next is 6.75. So next week again will be increased by 1.75. So 8.50 like this. The last is saving 20.75. So this is A, this is D now minus, this is A and find A. So try to complete. This is over for you. Very simple. D is 1.75, A is 5, A is this. Solve and show me. Tomorrow we will do sum of the AP numbers.